Walang kapo naman naglilinis dito. Totoo ba? Wala. Do they pay you for that? No? Just out of your heart.
I stay for free.
Ah, okay. Okay. Kung ganyan yung nagwawalis, magkalat ka. Kang papaawat. Bakit may mga pa-shimmering? Gagi laro. Ginanong ko lang yan, no? Tapos back, tapos na. Outfit check. Back, outfit check. Hi everybody, for today's video, this is gonna be like my last adventure here in Thailand before my departure. Yes, so I'm gonna be like joining a group. We're gonna go for tuk-tuk ride. So for today's video, I'm gonna take you to tuk-tuk ride. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. So it's my first ever tuk-tuk experience here in Thailand. So yes, ever since dumating ako dito and ever since that I first visited Thailand, I did not try the tuk-tuk. So this is gonna be the first time. Wala lang akong ginagawa today. Hindi ako busy, tapos feeling ko fresh ako. So when they invited me like, you wanna join? I was like, yeah, sure. So let's go. Let's do it. Everybody, good afternoon from me, Kay Teresa here. So for today, ganda ko para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Gusto mo yung makeup ko? Di ba? Hindi ko na kailangan mag-blush on. Kasi init pa lang ng lugar. Papula na ako. Oh, everybody, for today's video, tara, let's go. Come with us as I don't know. Again, I don't know where I'm going. Hi! I don't know where I'm going, but I am just gonna join the group. So, let's do it. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. I'm so excited to ride the tuk-tuk. Ito na talaga ang first ever tuk-tuk ride. Para ako nasunog. Lumabas kasi ako kayong tanghali. I look sunburn. Ay, sunburn daw. Paano daw? Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Oh, show the tuk-tuk. Oh. Ganon. May para lang kayo nasa loob ng tricycle. Oo. Pero ano, mabilis yung makina. Yun lang, that's how it feels. Wala lang akong magawa. Sumama na lang, di ba? Tagal na nilang ginagawa to. Kapkun ka! Kaya ito na, nag-arrive na kami. Very quick lang. I wanna show you sana, kasi wala mo na ipapakita. Puro dinaanan namin, gilid ng ano, ayan o, gilid ng train. Anong papakita ko dyan? So that's na. I think this is the one, the indie market, explosive ideas. Ay, talaga naman. May mga pa-explosive ideas. Everybody, ano lang to ha, very quick lang to. Parang quick sharing, tapos done. Ganon lang. Walang mahabang ganap. Very light lang to. Papakita ko lang, tapos next episode, ganon. Hoy, di ba may nakitang chicken skin ka? Chicken skin. Hoy, may chicken skin! Di ba? Pagkakita ko ng chicken skin, hinto agad. Hoy, hala! Ang sarap! Di ba? Mga kahinaan ko talaga. Chicken skin, okay na ako agad. Kapkun ka! Ang saya! Ang sarap! Pulang-pula ako! Ang init kasi, ma! Tapos naglakad ako kayo yung tanghali. Kumain ako sa labas. Ayan, sunog. Tapos nilagyan ako ng lip tint para magmukhang mas mustisa. Mag-chicken skin kayo sa mga bahay ninyo. Ang sarap. Do you eat chicken skin? Do you wanna try it? Just give it a try.
Wow. Chicken skin.
Yeah. Try. Try.
Big one. What's this?
Chicken skin. Fried chicken but only skin. You can try. It's good. Do you want more? It is. Yeah. And crunchy, right?
Right. I love it.
Alam nyo na. Kaya pwede ako mag-promote ng Prada kasi naniniwala talaga sila sa akin. Kaya may chicken wings daw. Try natin. This is Jose's recommendation. Siya nag-recommend niya. That's why I want to come because I haven't had dinner yet. Okay, everybody meet Jose pala. Jose, say hi first. Official.
Hey.
Hello. Where are you from?
Brazil.
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 Hala, Brazil. Alam nyo na. Charis. Charis lang. Is that pork? I don't eat pork, so. Oh no, that's chicken. Nahanap niya. Go. With the light. With the light, oh. Sige, hanapin mo. Yeah. Mag-ikutan tayo, Jose.
Follow me, baby.
Okay, sure.
I have no idea where I'm going.
You will, in 2 minutes. Uy, ang daming pagkain. Napasobra yung lipstick ko. Oh, we found it. Are you sure this is the one?
Yeah.
I don't see cheese. I like cheese.
Oh, no.
Korean. Okay, I'm okay with garlic. I'm okay with that. And karage. I'm gonna have 2 garlic and then Maybe two of this.
Yeah.
Ay, 111, ganon. Hala. Ako with the rice. Siyempre, Pilipino ako. In the Philippines, we always need rice. Rice is life, di ba? Alam niyo yan. Wala akong paglalagyan.
I love Philippine people.
Churros. Churros ka. It's okay. I put ha. Wait lang. Palagay lang ka ah. Wag kang babagsak. Everybody, if you come here, remember ate. It's free vegetable. If you like vegetable like me, then this is good for you. Say hi, hello. And this is also chicken, no? What is this? Pork? Okay, no pork. Parang ang sarap nito. Ano kaya to? Paano yung ngiti? Okay, go. May preparation naman pala in front of you. Wait lang, Pack the lighting. Hiya siya, Di ba cute talaga ng mga tay? Very mahihayin na ng cutie-cutie. Kapkun ka. Kapkun ka again. Hoy, ang dami ko nang dala, Palingkera talaga ako, di ba? Ang dami. Laps na ako, girl. Gutom na ako, no? Unahin natin yung soshing chicken. Let's go, let's do this. Masarap to, no? But if you wanna be there, that's okay. I can eat alone. I'm totally cool with that. That's no problem for me. Pakita natin ulit. Pak. Hi! Sarap. Hoy, sana chicken talaga to. Kinakabahan ako. Tikim nga muna. Shucks. Parang ham. Dito tayo sa isa.
I've got like everything here, but
Baka chicken ham. Baka chicken. Lokoy mo yung sarili mo. Baka chicken ham.
it's just like some vegetables with chubby.
Hoy, in all fairness, the Japanese rice is Japanese rice. Totoo, legit. Per 15 baht. Ang sarap. Second sushi na tayo with... Hindi ko alam Basta. Guys, whatever this one is, kuhanin niyo to. Bilhin niyo na lang. Pero ito yung the best. Ba't di ba siya na chopstick? Kamayin ko na lang. Nasang garlic? Parang honey garlic. Tapos ang crispy kahit may kahit may sauce. Ang sarap, grabe. Parang ito na yung start ng food vlogger era. Hala, excited na ako. Kaya tapos na kumain. I'm done eating. Ayun na yun, everybody. Lang to, very quick vlog about the place. Nakita nyo naman na, so that's gonna be it. Very short, di ba? Bye-bye. I'll see you on my next episode or next karugtong na to, I don't know. Basta, magkita-kita man tayo, Bye-bye.
Will be in China.
Hoy, may kasama akong Chekwa, pero nagtitripan ako. Magpakita ka. Balik mo yung Philippines, West Philippines Kayo na pa ako niloloko. Ibalik mo yung Philippines sa amin. Umarap ka dito, kayo na wala akong camera, niloloko mo ako Umarap ka. Tandaan nyo to. Joke lang, charot lang. Ay, charot lang, tropa ko yan. Kasama ko yan sa lugar.
Picture.
Sure. Okay.
It's missing.
Niloloko ko nito, kayo na pa yung nanloloko sa akin Sabi niya, daw, si Philippines boom. Sabi ko, bigay mo muna yung Philippines, tsaka tayo mag-usap. Charot. Hoy everybody, tara. This is the karugtong of my tuk-tuk ride. For today's video, samahan niyo ako. I'm gonna buy something. Like, microphone. Ay! Kuha tayo ng second microphone for my DJI. Hala, bakit kaya? Malalaman natin. Lang to, very quick lang to. Because I was in touch with DJI Thailand. This is my collaboration. Charot lang. Ang sarap sigurong sabihin nun, no? Yung DJI collaboration with Kay Toretto. Hala, baka naman, DJI, kayo naman. Ito, pupunta nga ako sa store nyo, di ba? So, ayan, we're gonna go to DJI store to get my microphone. It's ready. Yes, I ordered microphone sa DJI Thailand. So, tara, pick upin na natin. Hindi ko nga alam kung nasa tamang lugar ako, hayaan mo na. MBK Center. So, everybody who knows MBK Center sa mga Pilipino dyan sa Thailand, hello! Super mega quick lang to, walang masyadong ganap. Ipapakita lang talaga yung pag-pick up ng microphone and then go. Lalaps and then go home. Ganon. Another reason for me to go to MBK Mixo and the DJI. Tara, pumunta tayo. Sana ready na siya. The white one, yeah? Can I see it?
ดูไว้มาเขามาซื้อไม้ด้วยเขาได้ถามมากกว่า
Ay! Nag-check ako sa Dubai. Ang hirap hanapin. Wala. Puro black lang. So, binili ko na agad dito. Wait, ito na. Almost 2 weeks ko itong hinintay. Baka ito na yung simula ng era kong hindi na solo travel era with someone. Chares. Chares lang. Bibili na naman tayo ng kung ano-ano. Gastos na naman. Gusto ko itong bilhin. Wait lang. Pakita ko. Ito, Trigger mo ko, bibilin ko to, promise. Pinag-iisipan ko to Kayaan mo muna. Bigyan mo ko ng mga 2 days. Pag ako tinuyo, bibiling ko yan. Wait, it has warranty, ah?
Yeah, 1 year.
International or just Thailand? International or Thailand? International warranty. Amazing. Uy, look at the shirt and the outfit. So simple. Parang payat to. Parang ang gandang bata. Just paano daw? Unboxing na rin pala to. Sorry naman. Hoy, unbox. Nag-unbox. Nalaglag po yan. Charis. Hoy, unboxing. Diba? Dito talaga ako nag-unbox sa mga store. Siyempre, para pag may problem, resolve agad. Ay, may kasama palang pouch. Talaga naman, may pouch palang kasama ito. Hi! Hala, 2 na yung pouch ko. I'm happy. 3 pala. Ayan, social. Huy! Excited. Sana may battery. May mga pumuntang vlogger na Pilipino dito. Pakita ko rin yung sa akin. Bakit? Bakit? Ay, white! Ang tagal ko itong inintay. 2 weeks to. Nagpa-source talaga ako sa kanila. Sabi ko, hindi tayo aalis ng Thailand nang hindi natin nahahanap yan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for finding this for me.
Okay.
You see the TikTok?
Okay, Toretto.
Yeah, Kay Toretto. Kapkun ka.
Sorry. She asked me, she tell me you so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Nuuto niyo ako ah. O, narinig niyo yan ah.
Beautiful.
I am beautiful daw. O, DJ ay na nagsabi niya, legit na to. Thank you. Thank you. Kapkun ka. Oh. Hindi scripted yun. Narinig niyo yan ah. Sinabi talaga na pinapasabi ng manager na maganda raw ako. Ora, ulo kayo. Galit na galit naman ako. Hoy, ayun na yun. I just wanna show lang the unboxing and the purchase of my new additional microphone. I'm gonna head to eat and then I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you on the karugtong of this vlog. Yun lang naman ang gusto kong sabihin. Bye-bye na. Jay, look!
Ang left is a beautiful like yours.
Shit, you look like a fucking scammer. Look again.
Yeah,
Fucking look!
for
Fucking...
calling Microsoft support. Microsoft support.
Hoy everybody, we have arrived. Eto na. Ayan na. Hala, yung mga sumasayaw. Everybody, I think you've seen this before. This is like, viral to. Ganda ng kasama ko, oh. Buo yung contour, oh. Ating sa Manalo. Ating sa Ay! Nadapa. Ating sa Manalo. Hoy, eto na. Ay, boyfriend for a day. Hoy, ano? Ito na yung mga sumasayaw.
Oh, we missed this round.
Oh,
Oo, ang mga
pati yung
monggo
contour.
yan.
Ang gago ka sa contour, oh. Buo pa yung shadow, oh. Kakain lang naka-eyeliner dahil. Hala! May abs! Yung kahinaan ko, may abs! Hello! Hello! Hi! Kawadika! Ha?
Philippines.
I'm from the Philippines, yes. Mabuhay. Ala, ang sarap. Pag nagka-jowa ako, ganyan ipapadamit ko sa bahay. Sawadika!
Nasa counter, oh.
Saan?
Ay, nasa counter. Ayan, oh.
Mga bet mo talaga. Yeah, okay, welcome. Say hi. Ala, sarap.
Oh, mabuhay! Mabuhay!
Wala. Performer. Yeah.
I can do that.
You don't even have to be extra. But you can do extra.
I can dance for you, babe.
No, later. Babe, what are we getting?
Babe, I don't know.
And I can eat as long as I'm with you. But no pork. But no pork.
I like pork.
No.
No.
I cannot. Ala, makiti-cute yan. May nasa likod mo. Hala. Hindi ako makalandi kasama ko si Jose. Parang very lang pala. Can we do the boyfriend tomorrow? So I can flirt with other guys.
We do what?
The boyfriend thing tomorrow, not today.
Okay,
I'm
that's
kidding,
okay.
I'm kidding. We can do it today.
I'm interested.
I'm kidding. You
No,
order.
I think you're not kidding. I can help if you want.
No! Let's go, let's do it. No, I'm kidding.
Where's the target?
Yeah, joke ka. Ay, get agad. Ano kainin natin?
What are we gonna?
I don't know. I can get anything.
They have like papaya salads.
How do you say it in Brazilian accent? Papaya salad.
Melão.
Ha?
Melão in Portuguese.
Ano daw? Mellow.
Melão.
Mellow.
Melão.
Lao.
Lamb.
Ang hirap. Papaya.
You know, let's forget about it.
Papaya. I am getting 1 Brazilian guy, 2 chances.
That looks nice and promising.
Oh.
And promising. Ang OA naman nito sa
And
promising.
promising.
Ah! Patikim ha.
Wow.
O yun na, magsasayawan na. Ay! Wala! China, papunta. Wala! 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 Wala laro! Dali na to sumayaw, oh. Laro, laro.
Yeah, I'm thinking of joining.
Yeah, I know. I know. I can see your eyes.
Oh my god! He's really committed. Oh wow! Got tips!
Ay, naman na yung mga laps habang nag-ano.
So nice.
How was it?
I love it. I love it. Really, really
Tennis
nice.
shorts na, oh. Handa siya.
I was dancing as well.
Saya!
Gonna take it, gonna take it.
Hoy! Tignan mo, jowa-jowaan. Oh, sumali na. Sumali na siya.
I'm part of it, you know.
Let's eat first, bago ka maglaro.
I prefer this one. Oh, I don't have one.
It's okay.
I need to work.
I need to work. Alam niyo na ha. Huwag kayong mag-event ng Brazilian. Nakakagawid ako sa kanya. Aray! Nakakagawid ako sa kanya, Day!
Hey, hey, hey. Okay.
Okay. Kumain ka muna.
Man, I'm not always like that, okay? It's just my new style. I'm sweating. Yeah.
Why not always? Araw-araw kang ganyan. The famous. She's the famous one.
Thank you.
Ayan yung ano, ayan yung, ma!
My assistant.
Ayan yung ano, oh.
Oh, but it's okay, okay, okay.
Ay, ay, ay! Eh, wala ang gwapo! Hala! Ang saya nito!
Oh, sorry.
Sana siya. Hindi ba rin siya mayab? Eh, sarap! Ay, sarap! Ang galing!
Oh, 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 oh. Fashion no Brazil. Woo, woo, woo. Hey, 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 hey.
Kaya busy ka daw sa TikTok. Hey, hey.
Fashion no Brazil. Yeah. Fashion no Brazil.
Bidang-bida to, ah!
Hey, kapkun ka.
Kapkon ka!
Thank you, Kapluga.
Kumain ka na. Tama na. Tigilan mo na. Kumain ka na.
I feel shy now.
Hindi ka na. Wag ako.
After like 3 hours.
Yeah. Nag-stress ako.
I need to come back to Jose.
Change ka. Balik ka na. Dali na. Pawis ka na eh. Alam nyo na. Huwag kayo magalit ng Brazilian ha. Ganyan siya. Can I try? Please. Thank you. Ayo. Kita ba? Oh. Ang sarap pala. Ang saya nun, no? That's so good. I like it. The performance.
Just don't know how to make
Nagpapa. Me, I don't know how. I'm just removing the shell. That's it. Gusto ko yung ganito. I really like this. Kapag wala ka nilalagay sa food, yung nilinis mo lang, nilagyan mo ng asin, salt and pepper, okay na ko. Even the sausawan, sometimes I don't like it. Kain ka muna. First eat. Kain ka muna.
It was even better than expected.
Very true.
I think you had such a great content.
Yeah. Brazil.
Bruninho já chegou, a festa agora é no Brasil. Cadê as popozudas?
Ma, di ba sikat din sa atin ngayon yung kantang yun, pero Tagalog?
We're like, it's like dancing, you know?
That's probably.
She wanna say hello. Hello, you gonna say hello?
Akala ko hindi na dadating yung mango shake ko. Paano hindi matagal nag-enjoy ka sa nagtitinda? Hello ka! Ala! Tignan mo yung nagtitinda, kaya pala ang taga. Ala, lumabas pa. Don't go. Kanya, ala! Kaya tignan mo yung nagtitinda. Cap, can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello, ano? Hello! Ay! Naging Barbie.
Ahas.
Atisa manalo. Kapkon ka.
Ahas.
Kaya palang tagal. Bakla. Nagpabili lang ako ng mango
May
shake.
mga ahas po.
30 minutes na hindi pa rin bumabalik. Diyos ko, nag-enjoy na pala sa nagtitinda. Uwi ka na ng China. Tara mo ka, babuyan mo na naman. Uwi ka ng China. Tropa ko yan. Yung pinakabago kong addition sa tropa ko. Mga sira ulo lang mga nato tropa ko eh. Hey! 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 I don't like when it's doing this. Could you hold it for me, please?
Yeah.
Separating ways. Stop. Kissing the camera.
Hello everybody, it's Jose here.
And it's Kate
with-
out of here.
And Caterito. Just say whatever your heart starts.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that, because I might just not go if
Or
I
your
say what I
mind.
feel. Yeah.
What about your mind?
My mind and heart are both sad right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's something. Okay, guys, we're going to 7-Eleven, and that's how you walk in Thailand. Okay.
Still
She
learning.
doesn't know nothing about me. That's the point.
I know that you're a good person. Good character, good attitude.
You too.
Ah, thank you.
I'm shy. Don't do that. Life is dizzy sometimes. Is that okay, right?
Yeah, sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down.
dizzy, sometimes you're not dizzy, sometimes you just
But if you
Alright,
always
you know.
get DC, go to hospital.
yeah.
Hello.
Ganda oh.
How are you guys?
Oh, yun lang. Everybody! Goodbye, Thailand!
Oh, no brains, no brains.
And-
Sawadee Kap!
Okay, we will not go. We'll stay. Let's not go anymore.
Let's
Yeah?
all go.
We'll stay with Ali.
Let's everybody go
So
to.
Ali will be with someone, yeah. We will not go. I'm gonna cancel my flight.
Yes, please do that.
Yeah, like fuck my visa shit.
Stay with us.
I cancel my train
Let's all stay here. We can move all together.
True.
to
Rent a place.
Kopanga.
True.
Kopanga.
Yeah, anyway.
Kopanga. Let's go, everybody. Kopanga.
I'm gonna open a restaurant there.
And it's gonna be easy. And it's gonna be easy. Wait. And it's gonna be easy for you to market it because I am on social media.
Yes! Oh my gosh, we have.
And I'm a marketing.
Oh, she's a chef, by the
And
way.
I'm a marketing professional, so.
Okay, no, we
Whoa.
have
And you've
everything.
got a good
And you,
entertainer.
What are you gonna do?
I have a master degree in marketing as well.
Ay!
Woohoo!
May degree ako
NCIT.
takot dyan. Hindi ko.
As well,
Pasok
so-
sa mga
Oh,
degree.
yeah.
You are.
May degree ako, ano,
Whoa.
doctorate ko kalandian.
You have the
Oo.
best team.
Miss International lang din, ganun.
Guys,
Social media, diba?
have you tried Brazilian food? If you didn't try, you
I
should try
tried.
it.
I tried it.
She tried. The best one. Okay. Joking.
It was so good. It was amazing.
It was amazing.
I would even cancel my flight to try it again.
You know the sausage? Brazilian sausage?
Stop that. No. No,
joking,
no
okay?
sausage.
No sausage.
Yeah, no sausage.
Just eggs.
Malak,
Malak.
Malak,
it's the final
you say
goodbye.
it good. I love that.
Bye-bye. We'll see you somewhere else.
Goodbye. Kiss to the camera.
Bye-bye.
I will love you.
Love you too. And your cousin. Yeah, shit.
Hello.
Are you
we came
actually?
back.
What?
It's coming.
Be part of my
Ooh,
vlog.
want
Say,
some
hanggang po
biscuits?
nito, crush ko tayo. Kaya ito may vlog.
No? I wanna.
Uy, yung gwapo,
Want some
oh.
biscuits?
Kachat ko yan. How are you? Yeah, just say hi. Gwapo, oh. Are you single?
If I'm single, yeah. Yeah, you know.
I don't know. Wait, why did you not text me?
Oh.
Answer it first, yeah.
No. I was supposed to come with you and Jay, but.
Okay, put it down. Okay.
yeah.
So why did you not text?
No, it's not texting. It's I was supposed to meet you guys here
Aha.
today, but
Nilalandi ko to eh, kaso ano, wala nang oras. Oo, hindi na ako makapaglandi pa. So why did you not text me?
no, I was supposed to come, but I'm not.
Come here. Come here, I'll put this. Yeah. Ang gwapo, no? Show your face first. Dala mo ang gwapo, oh. Ano ba?
I have an idea.
Don't think what's your idea.
Yeah. It's like you could give me a short interview
A short interview?
Yeah.
Ala, short interview about what?
about maybe Norway and how it's like life and how it's like living in Norway.
Oh yeah, it's from Norway pala. But I need explanation why did you not text. I'm more focused about that. And I need a good explanation.
Oh, okay, yeah, I will tell you. So it's a
Sige.
story because do you want the long story or the short
I
one?
like the long but we can do the short for now. Yeah. I like long but let's do short for now. Wala na rin kasing oras ako. Go. Oh, lilipad ako eh. Oh.
Yeah, that what happened was I was gonna go to the store to buy some alcohol so we could start to drink.
Shut up. Stop lying.
No, that's the truth. I have
You should
the alcohol.
text me
I
first.
have the alcohol.
I hate
It's in
you.
It's in my room because
Are you telling the truth?
yeah, I always do it. I don't lie.
Pero, wait lang. We're supposed to, kasama yung dapat, pasok yan sa vlog ko. Oo, papakilig pa sana kami last Kaso,
Yeah, so
nabisi na ako kasi hindi ko na kaya. Napagod ako.
it's kind of funny because also I'm like half. So it's funny because both of us are Norwegian and speak Norwegian.
Wait, you're half-half?
Yeah,
Half what?
half Pakistani. Like my dad's from the Pakistan.
Talaga? Ala.
Oh my god.
Why did you not tell me fast?
What did this mean?
Gusto na.
What do you done?
Ba't hindi mo agad sinabing
Oh my
Pakistani
god,
ka?
Pakistani.
Why did you not tell me immediately? So we have connection.
No, it's so I met him and then we started to eat and we started to talk because I didn't meet him because 10 days ago we made a video together.
Yeah. Don't do that. So I don't eat to katit. Hello. Pakistani pala to.
So
Tinamay ka may
yeah, I'm touching.
Ala.
Wow, it's so loud.
Oh my
It's
God.
so sound.
That's too much.
Wow, I like it. Just kidding. So
Let's go outside.
We're having an interview.
Yeah. Let's keep walking. Do you want your motorcycle or walk?
oh, we can walk.
Better walk. I don't because.
Yeah, do you want to go for a ride?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, but I should. Okay, yeah.
We can. Let's go.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's
wait. I'm gonna fix your mic once again. Yan. At nung ko lang din content ko, hindi to mauubos. Wait lang, I'm gonna make sure this is properly connected. Okay, go. Oh,
okay. But
Inayang sumakay sa motor, umangkas ka! Sa kahit anong sitwasyon, sumama ka, kahit may flight ka. Sumakay ka, umangkas ka.
should I tell you more?
Pag ganito yung nag-aaya sa ano? What? Sorry? Nawala ako sa focus, ang gwapo.
So what happened was that I went with him.
Are you still explaining why did you not text me?
Yeah.
Are you still explaining?
Yeah.
You don't have to, I moved on.
Yeah,
I
no,
even
it's okay,
forgot
but-
about it.
But no, it's a story, you know. It's
Okay.
not about you, but
Tala mo yan, oh, hello, go.
yeah.
Tell the story. Ah, hello.
So
Check, die.
I will show you a video.
Later.
No, but it's cool. It's cool for the video. Yeah, don't worry, we're gonna try. I know you're
Okay, it's
excited.
PG, it's
but-
PG ha.
Yeah.
Eh, ikaw, ilang araw na tayo nag-aanuhan. O, go.
So-
Ngayon, hindi ko to nakaraan, kaso ito talaga yung bet ko. Ito talaga yung bet ko talaga. Siya talaga. I'm telling everyone that I like you.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's good to be honest
sige.
and not shy. Yeah.
I am shy.
Yeah.
Show me the video.
So you were here?
Is this the same one you sent me before? Or it's...
I don't know if I sent
You
you,
sent
but
me before when I texted you.
did I show you?
Yeah, you sent me. Di ba para na to huy. Mangkas ka kahit kahit 5 minuto lang. Lumama ko, hindi mo kay Toretto. Wala kang pinapatawad. I have few more minutes. I have flight at 5.
5 minutes?
No, let's go na.
Okay.
Go, get the bike.
Do you want a helmet?
No, I don't want.
You don't want?
No, I don't need it.
Okay.
You're enough shield. Laki ka ng katawan mo.
Yeah, I'm the shield.
Tara mo, laki ka ng katawan mo. Hello. Hello.
It's Caterito.
Churrado.
Torado.
Hala, kita ko yung dibdib niya. Tara dito. Ayusin mo. Lanesme, huwag kang lakad ng lakad. Si Atisa,
talaga ba?
si Atisa Manalo, daan ng daan, no. Dadaan ulit, madadapa. Dadaan ulit, madadapa. Ay, Atisa! Si Atisa Manalo naman. O, ito naman yung outfit ko pabalik ng Dubai. Gagi. Yung ano, pajama dahil. Tsaka itong slippers ko. Alam ko talaga sa kanto ng monumento, girl. At humabol pa ang motorcycle ride. Talaga naman ang gandang kilito na ito. Diba talaga? Everybody, good morning. It's Kate Churrado here from Thailand. Thank you. Kapkun ka. So, yes, it is official. I can finally announce it. We are finally heading back to Dubai. And we are departing here from Thailand, Suvarnabhumi Airport for the second time. My God. Ay, grabe yung withdrawal ko sa trip na to kasi I was like with really cool people. Before, alam mo yun, parang thank God na He gave me like good companies before I go. And basta, I have reasons why I feel this way. So, ayun. Magkita-kita tayo sa Dubai, everybody. So, ayun. Hala. Ito na naman. Ano kaya ang mga gagawin ko sa Dubai? Magkakaalaman na tayo. I saw my flight. It's open na. Ano daw? Taray. Na-miss ko to. EK. Dubai. Hala. Row letter T. Okay. Kita-kita tayo. Hi! Hindi naman dapat magiging malungkot tong pag-alis ko eh. Naglandi kasi na naman ako eh. Dapat di naman to malungkot. Dapat okay lang to eh. Ready to live na kaya ako. As in, mega super ready talaga. Kasi nga syempre, mamimiss mo, di ba? Tapos, may bonus na naman. Sige na. Babay ako ng babay. Piling ko ka-video call ko kaya. Yung tipong pag kailangan kong kumalma, kinakausap ko lang yung camera ko. Ganun lang nasa isip ko at the moment para kumalma ako. Sana okay lahat ng gamit ko. Ganun, walang mawala. Walang problema sa immigration. Everybody, I'm finally going back to Dubai. Ala, naiiyak ako. Siyempre, after diba, after 1 year, more than may ako iiyak kasi mag-check-in ako. Wait lang. Wait, nakakamiss naman tong Emirates. Dati, araw-araw ko lang to nakikita eh. Parte to ng buhay ko araw-araw dati. Here. Visa, anything. Hello. Nakakamiss ng Emirates. Yeah, online. I already did. Naiiyak ako, hinuhold ko lang. Hinuhold ko yung iyak ko at the moment. Tutulo siya, wait lang. Tubig. Pagkakita ko sa Emirates, bigla akong hala.
You never use this visa, right?
No. For the moment, I was like, yeah, this is the new one. I'm just scared me. It's all good.
Boarding pass. Bangkok to Dubai.
I'm so excited mag-try. Yung feeling ko pagbaba ko ng ng metro station sa Dubai. Wala, try agad. Nilarekta ka maghanap ng chai. Guys, tayo sa monumento. Charis.
The train is about to leave the station สถานีกรุณาอย่ายืนกีดขวางประตูรถและโปรดจำเรา
Gusto ko mag-chai. Tapos, muton biryani. Tapos, gutom ako. You know what I've realized after traveling for 1 year, 4 months ba or 6 months? Hindi ako pwede sa social na airport kasi tinan mo, oh. May nakasabit na plastic ng 7-Eleven sa bag ko. Tapos, oh, nakachinelas lang ako. Hindi ako pwede sa social. Parang, hindi ako pwede dito, uy. Naiilang na ako pag social yung airport. Sa totoo lang. Pwede, so I'm finally boarding the plane. As you can see, ang tsaka ko. Ang social ng mga kasabay ko. Ang gaganda ng bag. Tapos ako, ito lang dala ko. Mixo. Hindi naman sinabing pag naka-plastic yung gamit mo, bawal ka mag-board ng plane. Deadma lang. Nakalimutan ko, Dubai nga pala ako pupunta. Dami ko nakikita ng designer bag. Tapos dahil naka-ano lang ako. Plastic ng 7-Eleven. Nakakamiss naman sumakay ng Emirates. Uy, grabe. Ito na yata yung pinakamagandang aeroplanong nasakyan ko sa tanang buhay ko. Tinan mo yung banyo. Pwede kang matulog, girl. O, tapos may salamin. Oh, hala. Hi everybody, Rachel right here. Panel welcoming you back. Panel welcoming you back to Dubai. Tara. Confident ako iwanan yung mga gamit kong bukas-bukas. So, Dubai na eh. Uy, lang. Hi, this is ano na? This is the end of the vlog na. Oo. Para flash naman ako sa next vlog. Kasi ang haggard ko na dahil. So, ayan. Thank you all very much for watching this. I hope that you enjoyed watching my kalokohan and kilig in this vlog. So, again, Kay Toretto. See you on my next vlog.